Hey, what's up everybody? This is Allah from Mobile WizTech. Today we're going to talk about this awesome combo system, which includes the PITAKA New Mag Mount Qi car vent, along with the PITAKA mag case. Now before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to the PITAKA team for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that way you can stay up to date with new videos that are posted on my channel. So as I stated earlier, this is the PITAKA New Mag Mount Qi car vent mount, and this is just one of the 4 they have. So there's another one they have which sticks to your desktop and then it's mounted that way and still charges. There's one that sticks to the windshield of your car and also one that goes into the CD slot of your car. And as you can see here, this is the car vent version, and as it states there. Let's see what else is on here. So it supports 10 watts fast charging, active fan cooling, safer charging, and made with aramid fiber and zinc. Okay. A little example of how this works. So let's open up the box. So as you can see here, this is the car vent base one, the one I'm going to show you. And this is the suction cup one that goes into your windshield. Then the CD slot base one. And then there is the desktop version. Let's see what else here. Looks like it comes with a 30-day expiration warranty, so you have 30 days to get this registered, so that way you can get your warranty added to it. Here is the mag mount here. Your cable, so this looks like it is actually, yeah, USB type C. So your USB type C cable. And then your clamp. And then also, if you wanted to stick it somewhere in your car, you can do so with this as well. So let's take another look at this PITAKA mag mount. You can see the coolant vents right there. The vent for the fan. Very clean looking. And you can tell it was made of decent quality. So the first thing you will need to do is just screw this off. So you'll go ahead and just place this here. And then take your clamp, pop it in, and then screw this down. Now the lower this is screwed down, the more flexible your mount would be. So if you need to make it a little tighter or more rigid, then you just screw it, bring it back up, and won't move as much. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this in my car so that way you can see how this looks with the whole system. So now you would just go ahead and stick it in the vent. Just push it in there. Should be good. Make sure it has the connection. Grab your phone that has a mag case on it. In my case, I have the Note 10 Plus. If you want to watch the video for my review for this, check the link right there and you should be good to go. Then you just slap your phone on there. And as you can see, it's charging. So I did want to point this out, that the magnetic hold that this mag mount has while your device is attached to it is extremely strong. So even if you're driving down a rough road or a bumpy road, your device is not going anywhere. So this mag system they have would definitely secure your device even if you're driving on a rough road. So if you are interested in this whole mag system, or maybe the mag case, or just the mag mount, please head to the description, as there will be links there. And if you are interested, please use my links, as they truly help me out. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.